In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft To Do. If you're tired of pop-ups breaking your focus or you just want a cleaner desktop, I'll walk you through two simple ways to quiet things down. One inside Microsoft To Do for shared list updates, and one at the Windows system level to stop all alerts from the app. First, a quick overview. Microsoft To Do can notify you for two kinds of things: activity in shared lists, like when someone adds or completes a task, and time-based reminders for your own tasks. If you collaborate with others, you might want to keep reminders but mute the constant updates. That's where the in-app setting helps. Start by opening Microsoft To Do. Look for the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Notifications. Here, turn off the toggle for shared list activity. Once that's off, you won't get alerts when collaborators add tasks, complete items, or assign something to you. It keeps your workflow calmer without affecting your personal reminders. This is ideal if you still rely on due dates and reminder alerts but want fewer interruptions from list changes. If you ever need those updates back, just return to the same place and toggle it on again. The interface may vary slightly depending on the version, but the Notifications section is always in Settings. Now, if you want to stop every pop-up and sound from Microsoft To Do on your PC, handle it at the Windows level. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to System, then Notifications. Scroll to the section labeled Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Find Microsoft To Do in the list and turn its switch off. From that moment, Windows will block banners, sounds, and toasts from the app. Your tasks and reminders still exist inside Microsoft To Do, but they won't surface as system notifications. This is a great option when you need complete focus, or if you prefer checking the app on your schedule instead of being interrupted. There's also a master switch at the top of the Notifications page that turns off all Windows notifications. Use this only if you want silence across every app, because it affects email, chat, calendars, and more. You can always turn it back on when you're ready. To recap, use the in-app shared list activity toggle to silence collaboration noise while keeping your reminders, or use Windows notification settings to block everything from Microsoft To Do. Choose the approach that matches how you work and enjoy a quieter, more focused setup.